The duodenum receives bile from the gallbladder and pancreatic juices from the pancreas through the common bile duct. Duodenum, that is the first part of the intestine, receives bile from the gallbladder. It is stored here and it receives from the gallbladder, and the pancreatic juices from the pancreas through the CBD. This we already know. Bile emulsifies fat, that also we know, and pancreatic juices digest carbohydrates and protein. So this is important. Just kind of memorize it, that bile helps in emulsification of fat and the pancreatic juices actually digest the carbohydrates and proteins, just like us. Final digestion takes place in the intestine. Digested food is absorbed by the numerous finger-like folds in the inner wall of the intestine called as villi and microvilli. So the digested food is absorbed by numerous finger-like projection, which is present where? In the inner wall of the intestine called the microvilli and the villi. The undigested solid food waste moves into the rectum and passes out through the cloaca. So this is exactly just like us, nothing to memorize. Just 2 to 3 things you have to keep in mind. One is the order, that is the mouth, then the pharynx, then the esophagus, then the stomach, duodenum, part of the intestine, then the rectum, then the cloaca. The pancreas, the digestive enzyme, that is the pancreatic juice, which is reaching the duodenum via the CBD, and the gastric juice, which has the HCl, that is secreted by the walls of the stomach. That is important. Bile helps in emulsification of fat, and pancreatic juice actually helps in digestion of carbohydrates and protein. Digested food is absorbed by numerous villi and microvilli on the wall of the intestine, and which is non-digested, it is solid waste. The solid waste moves into the rectum and passes out through the cloaca. So this is all over the digestive system, starting from here to here. Most important line is this. So this is the line 3 of the series. That is, the alimentary canal is short because it is carnivorous, hence the length of the intestine is reduced. Third line, 2 from morphology. Number 1, that the frog never drinks water but absorbs it through the skin. Number 2 is the difference of sexual dimorphism, how male and female frogs can be distinguished. From here, the digit part. From anatomy, the digestive system part. This line is very important. It is carnivorous, hence the length of intestine is reduced, and this part is very similar to us, nothing to memorize, only the enzyme part, that's all. Now from next day I will start with respiration. 6 systems, it is the second system we will start.